Peter Eliades with you with the Stock Market Cycles update being recorded on Monday late afternoon, December 30th, day before, the night before New Year's Eve. Boy, do I have a surprise for you guys today. Are you excited yet? Wait till you see this. You are now going to be introduced to Maximos Alexander Eliades. Bring that boy over here, show him. There he is. Look at that. Which way is the market going to go, Maximos? Up or down? Undecided. Thank you. That's my little baby grandchild. Pretty exciting, wasn't it? Okay, let's take a quick look at let's take a quick look at the market now. We actually, believe it or not, got some downside projections today. There's nothing dramatic. And in fact, 2 out of our 3 main indexes gave them, and the third one was really close and questionable. In fact, it almost met it. But let's go through them with you and show those to you. And then we'll look at one more thing, and it's going to be a short update. So this is the S&P cash. And this is the closing price projection. You see, it's below both the offset lines, 3.5 to 4 days. And this is the projection on a closing basis that's been generated, 3207.29, 3208. So it's a real tight projection window. Notice also, however, that it's going to be pretty easy to invalidate it. All you're going to need to call it into question is a rise up above this 32.2456 level tomorrow. That's only a few points up from where we are. So this is no dramatic projection, but it's there nonetheless. Write it down. That's the S&P. Let's take a look at the Dow. Here's the Dow Jones Industrial Average. This is the one was given and almost met. Look at this projection for the Dow. Again, these are closing price projections. They call for a close between 28,396 and change to 28,457. The close today was 28,462, just 5 points away from the projection window. So it was really close to being given and satisfied on the same day. So what do we look for the last projection? Let's take a look at the New York Composite Index. That's usually my most consistently accurate projection giver, and so I like to pay attention to that. $NYA.X. Now again, this one has been given. We have not met it. And here it is down here. Not dramatically lower, but this is a very short-term projection. It's a nominal 10-day projection. 13,849 and change to 13,855 and change. That's a confirmed projection for the New York Composite Index. In order to invalidate that tomorrow, you'd have to get up back into the 13,899 level or so. So that's 22, 23 points up from here. Not that big a move, but the downside projection has been given and confirmed. So that's where we stand on these very short-term nominal 10-day projections. What made today interesting, however, and it's the last thing I'm going to show you, because it's going to be a short update today, is this. Remember I told you that this should be a very important upper channel line. We appeared to have broken through it last week. These are weekly prices now. But look what happened today. I mentioned the possibility of a throw over. Remember that? Throw over, I don't know if that's an Eliatician's terminology, but it just means that you temporarily get above what should be a really big support or resistance. You get above a resistance and below a support level temporarily, and then you immediately turn around. Well, we have immediately turned around. We just don't know how important this is. But you are back inside that parallel channel today. So this could turn out to be something more important than it looks like right now. But let's not jump the gun here. Let's take it a step at a time. Fortunately, with the projections, we can take it a step at a time. That's it for now. Hope you enjoyed meeting Maximus. If you haven't subscribed yet, bottom right of your screen, click on the red banner. Once you do that, click on the bell. You'll know exactly when our updates go online. And keep in close touch now, because the market could get exciting here, even during this holiday season. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll talk to you tomorrow.